Hello everyone, my name is Daniel Agbachi. I'm a graduate student at Imperial State University, Department of Instructional Design and Technology, and I have here with me an instructional-based mobile application that I developed for my final year project. And this mobile application is to help international students get the right and adequate orientation before they are coming down to Imperial State University. This application is meant for all international students from different parts of the world who are coming here to Imperial State University to study. And I've used cutting edge technology like React Native, which is a programming language, JavaScript library used in building mobile application for both iOS and also Android devices. So here, what you have here is the landing page, which we call the splash page of the mobile app. And once anyone get it downloaded, um, and then they get to see this very interface after the splash page where they can actually sign in. Since the mobile app is for students who have already gotten admission into Imperial State University, um, they would have their email, ESU email already, which they can use to log into the mobile application. So they need to create maybe a user account or sign in if they already have one. So I can say register, and then here they can actually type in whatever they want to use in registering. And then once they click register, it automatically takes them to the very page they need to be. So here is going to be the starting page whenever they log in. They get to see this as a means to inform them about what the application is about and how they can actually use the application. And then they can see reviews, from different students and how many students have used the application so far. And here they will have to see their logo, their picture, um, whatever they use as the picture representing the account, they're going to see it here. And then when they click start, they have two options to choose from. The option number one is meant for getting ready. Getting ready contain instructional resources like immigration, health, and documentation. So once they click on this, they're going to get instructional guides on how to go about visa interviews, get the right paperwork, and different vaccinations and testing, health tests, and documentation they need to get done before coming to the United States. And once they click here on joining Hornet Nest, they'll get resources that is geared towards preparing them before coming, like flight, apartment, college life. And that college life involves where to get support, IT support, or let's say, be able to get resources, libraries, and how to make use of the Canvas learning management system, which Emporia currently uses. So each one of these module contains different resources in different format. So I was able to use the UDL, the Universal Design for Learning principles, as a guide of creating the resources. I am aware some students prefer learning by watching videos because they are visual learners or maybe viewing graphics, whereas others prefer just listening. Some prefer reading it. So I've been able to create all those different resources for the students. So when they click here, they get to see those resources, created in different format. And once they click any one of this, let's say they go click the audio, um, it takes them to the audio resource and they can see how far they have actually gone in the instructional guide. They can see a progress bar telling them how far they've gone, and they can also take a quiz. Once they are done, they can see the progress of their score of the quiz, and here is a category of what instruction they are viewing currently. So I can quickly go back here and then click on the Joining Hornet Nest as well. And then I can see different resources geared towards preparing them to join Hornet Nest. And here they can see score and also progress and the rest of it. This application is meant to help students, international students, to become aware of what they're expecting to see here in Emporia State University prior to their coming over. And it is geared towards preparing them for the preliminary phases they're going to go through while preparing the document and health test and visa interviews and all that. Some of these stages are confusing to most international students. And I believe this application, being able to provide the right resources to the students with respect to those stages and also assess them, and they can actually see if they are fit to start school, in Imperial State University, if they have all it takes or they need to learn more. Thank you very much.